Hello guys, today we're going to be unboxing not a Hoover Free Space but a Hoover Senior today. This came from George. Buy a lot of vacuums off of him. I bought quite a few actually. Now this one, well these, I just unboxed another machine from him. It's not mine, so I didn't do an unboxing video of it. It was Adam's. So yeah, but anyway, this should be a grey Hoover Senior in here. It's not in the best conditions, I don't think. There was only one picture of it, and there's lots of this annoying bloody paper everywhere. But it's got the original grey cable, very nice cable. Right, so we've got the top section of the handle with the thing. I only bought this to go with my Hoover Junior in grey. Here's the bag. This is it. It's got a brand new bag in there, which is nice of you, George. Thank you very much. Even though I actually don't use the proper bags in these. In my Juniors, I normally just put SIBO bags in them. There we go. Here's the other section of the handle, the lower section. And then let's just get the main machine out, which is absolutely massive. Christ almighty, I didn't think it would be that big. I knew they were bigger than the Junior, but Christ, I didn't think they were this big. Now it's quite scratched up, which is a shame. But of course, I think a clean will help that. So let's just put all this bloody paper back in here. Well, put the majority back in this box, and then we'll we'll vacuum some of it up with my Henry. That's in the background, my work Henry. There's that one. There's that one. It's in handle. Right, so let's just entangle the cable. So let's move the main cleaner head out of the way. Let's just put this over here. The other machine I've already unboxed, I did stuff the bag full of all the paper and stuff that came out of it. So, you know, there was quite a lot of dirt as well. So, there we go. Here's the Hoover Senior. Now I don't know if it will need a new headlight inside. The brush roll is quite rusty. Let's untake these clips there. Which comes off. I think that might be a new belt. I'm not too sure. The wheels need cleaning. Here's the power switch, and there should be a micro switch here, which there is. Now a lot of this does need repainting, so it should be a job for the summer. I did have a Hoover Power Plus exclusive a while ago, a few years back, which I sold on eBay very stupidly, which I regret actually doing now. So I learned that it was a electricity board exclusive cleaner. Right, so I think this might be the bottom section of the handle. So let me just undo these. That goes in there, I reckon. No, that goes in there like that. Okay. And then this should go in here like that. So let's get the screwdriver and tighten the screw up. There we go. Hopefully slip in on it. That's it. Push that in. Square. I don't know if this is before the dating system came in. Let's have a look. Yes, before the dating system, this one, which I don't mind. So I need someone to get a service manual to say this one. Let's undo this one. So that goes on to there. It's a hell of a beast of cleaner this is. I had a toy one in blue a few years back. It was tiny compared to like a junior. Now the original thing is missing actually. Off the top of the handle, like the junior thing. Let's lay this down. Right. It's over here. Let's try and slap this in. Right, it's being a pain in the bum. You go. I didn't actually realise it's a screw, so I can screw it in. It is massive. I didn't realise it was this big at all. I think that goes in there, like so. And then the little nut, the square nut, goes on the back like that. And it should just tighten up like that and stop the handle wobbling. That's it. And then the bag just goes on the back here, like that. Pulls across there like that, like my other senior that I had. Then that hooks it in there like that, and then the cable, well, to pull it off a bit through this thing first. That's it. Pulls up the side there, and then yeah, just wrap it up. Actually, no, I don't know if it would come up the back. No, it wouldn't come up the back, would it? I don't know. But anyway, there we go. It's got its original cable, which is nice. It's all original. That's what I like to look for, all original backs. So I've got that one, and then I've got the Junior to go with it. So that's cool. I've got two matching hoover machines now, which is nice. Yeah, they've done a constellation in this colour, which I might have to try and find. But yeah, there we go. Let's put this over here. Let's plug this senior in quickly to the RCD and see it running. Should be cool. Let's just plug it in first. I'm quite scared because right, so it was off. Let's just push that so it turns on. That's cool. Well, the headlight works, which is nice. I thought I'd have to buy a headlight for it, but you know, that's cool. That's really nice. Yeah, I'm really pleased with that. Brush roll's a bit rattly, but a bit of oil on the bearings in there. I know you shouldn't put oil on bearings, but I normally clean them out and then stick a bit of oil in them bearings in the brush rolls, and normally shut up. But you know, I'm quite pleased with that. I might have to respray it. I might leave it like this to go with the other one, because the other one isn't mint either. But I'm really surprised about the headlight working. That's a cool thing. But yeah, thank you very much, George. Anyway, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and also go and like my Instagram page at pneumaticworld29. And yeah, bye for now.